Hi everyone, in this video we are reviewing the best IPTV players for your Amazon Firestick. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. If you want a smooth and reliable IPTV experience, these players will take your streaming and gaming to the next level. I will cover up the topics based on features, compatibility and ease of use. Let's dive in. First up is IPTV Smarts Pro, one of the best IPTV players for Firestick. It installs easily and has a user-friendly interface. Features include multi-playlist, sport, catch-up streaming and the ability to add local media files. It is compatible with Firestick, Android Media and iOS, so you can enjoy it across multiple devices. Now we have Perfect Player IPTV, another great option for Firestick users. It offers a clean, intuitive UI that makes navigation simple. You can manage multiple playlists and it supports EPG electronic program guide for easier channel browsing. Best of all, it is free with no hidden fees. Another popular choice is TiviMate IPTV. It supports multiple playlists, has a sleek interface and includes catch-up TV features. The free version has limited functionality, but upgrading to premium unlock all features. It is a solid pick for those wanting a quality streaming experience on Firestick. Finally, GS Smart IPTV is a reliable, feature-rich player compatible with Firestick and other devices. It supports EPG, local playlist integration, and recording option. The app is free, though some advanced features require a premium upgrade. That wraps up our review of the best IPTV players for Firestick. Whether you want a free, simple player or something more advanced, these apps deliver a great IPTV experience. That's it.